Hey guys, how you doing? You may be wondering what that little whining noise is. Well, now we're gonna be extremely gentle with them. You can see he's a little Bruce, little boy. Now I can tell because he has little thingy. You know what it is. And he's a little girl. Now they get to sleep very easily. Come on, man. Okay, bunny. I'm trying to get one more here. Bunny. Here I come. Usually get puppies to get down. Now, of course, they get worried. Very hard to video them when they're laying on my legs, and then the blanket is on. It might be a little bit easier to see now. Aren't they cute? Now the girl is quite big compared to the little boy. She was born for. I'm trying to keep them asleep because the girl is actually awake. I'm just holding it there. And he's like, what is that sound? Here you go, Bron. And there's Bruce. Now say bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.
Bonnie.
Right there. The puppies are there. Why? What happened?
Bunny, come here. Come on.
Let's try to get money. Come on, Kiel. Come on, bud. Come on, Kiel. Come on, Kiel. Come on, bud. Come on, bud. There we go. You gotta. Ah.
That's not funny, Abby.
No, it's just because she stepped in it. Buddy, come on. Just trying to get her to eat. Call her.
Okay. You're useless.
Oh, let's get back to the pups. That was funny. Oh, except for the part where something spilled. Here we go. Now, they're sleeping now. We're not going to disturb them no more. So yeah, we're not going to disturb them no more. Just want to cover that up a little bit. Like that. Yeah. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, subscribe if you like puppies. If you don't subscribe because you don't like puppies, then you're a monster. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you want to see more puppies. And we will have a play day when they're a little bit older. Right now, they don't even have their eyes open. It happens after about 2 weeks when they open their eyes. Plus, they can't walk right. Their bones are very, very small because they were only born like 3 days ago. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. So, for more of this, remember, like, subscribe down below at the top of your screen just there. You got out of full screen. So yeah, guys, don't forget to leave a comment. Bye bye.